Hello team, I'm Srinivas here. I'm one of the proud Ceramic Pro 9-inch car coated owner. It's an awesome feeling because the car gives you, after the coat, it's a proud feeling whenever you're driving the car on the road, whenever you're getting in, whenever people turning around your car and looking at it, because that shines and gives you that proud feeling. Second side, the other flip of the coin, the customer service. It's the best of it. It's any car, whichever the car you get in, they give the best service, same service, anytime, first time to whenever you walk in. This is close to 1 year. I'm associated with this team. Every time I'm getting in touch with them and other cars, we got it done. My friends are also coming in, so it's an awesome thing. The service you get is best, and cheers to the Ceramic Pro team. Good luck to you guys.